أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذ قالت امرأة عمران ربي إني نذرت لك ما في بطني محررا فتقبل مني إنك أنت السميع العليم. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Aal-i-Imraan Ayat number 35. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the dedication for Allah that has been done by the mother of Maryam alayhi salam. So we read in this ayat, we will understand inshallah. So Allah said, is when, qalat when said, Imrata the woman, the wife, Imran Imran. So when the wife of Imran Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, when she said, or she requested Allah in a dua, Rabbi, O my Lord, Inni, indeed I, Nazartu, I vowed, Laka for you, Ma fi batni, what is in my womb. Muharraran dedicated. Fatakabbal, so accept from me, minni from me. Fatakabbal, so accept minni from me, innaka, indeed you, anta, you, Sami'ul Alim, Sami, all hearing, Alim, all knowing. So you know all, you hear everything. So we read one time more. Allah said, Iz qalat imratu Imrana Rabbi inni nazartu laka ma fi batni muharraran fatakabbal minni innaka antas sami'ul alim. When the wife of Imran, she requested Allah, my Lord, indeed I have pledged to you what is in my womb, dedicated for your service. So accept this from me, indeed you are all hearing, all knowing. So in this ayat we understand about the pregnancy of Maryam alayhi salam. The dad of Maryam alayhi salam, his name was Imran. So he was the descendants of Harun alayhi salam. You know the Musa alayhi salam and Harun alayhi salam. The dad of Musa and Harun alayhi salam, he was also Imran. And from Harun alayhi salam generation, Imran is from them. Imran, the dad of Maryam alayhi salam. He was Imam in Baitul Muqaddas, Masjidul Aqsa. So he was Imam there. And he was a pious person, respectable person within the society. But he was having no children. His wife and the wife of Zakaria alayhi salam, they were real sisters. What happened? His wife, she became very old, but no children. One day she was sitting under a tree. She has seen a bird who was giving food to her baby, just putting food in the mouth of the baby. She has seen all that, and then at that time she requested Allah that I want a baby. Please bless me a baby. I will be thankful to you. So she requested Allah. This request was so sincere, so from her heart, that was accepted by Allah, and with the same days she became pregnant. When she became pregnant, she requested Allah in a dua, so which is this dua which we have recited, Aal-i-Imraan Ayat number 35. So the wording of that dua is here. We read this one now again. She said, Is qalat imratu, when the wife of Imran, is qalat imratu Imrana, when the wife of Imran, she requested Allah, Rabbi, O my Lord, Inni, indeed I, nazartu laka ma fi batni, indeed I vowed to you what is in my womb, muharraran, dedicated, fatakabbal minni, so accept from me this one, innaka, indeed you, antas samiul alim, so you are all hearing, all knowing. So this was the dua that was requested by the mom of Maryam alayhi salam. Her name was Hannah bin Faquz radiyallahu ta'ala anha. So she requested Allah in these words. So Allah accepted her. Then so one day when she was in home, her husband Imran, he said, if what is in your womb, if that will be the girl, what will happen? Because it was the tradition in the Bani Israel that they were to make only boy dedicated to Allah, because that boy was to stay in the Baitul Muqaddas just for worship and service for Allah. So no marriage, no any worldly things was done by that one. So only the responsibility was just to stay in the Baitul Muqaddas for worship and service just for Allah. No any worldly things so was to do by that person. So that was dedication only. But Imran said to her, if that will be girl, what will happen then? So we will learn about this the next ayat inshallah. When she was pregnant, so before delivery, Imran, he died. So this way, Hannah, the mom of Maryam alayhi salam, so when Maryam alayhi salam, she was born, so she took her in a cloth and she handed over her to the Baitul Muqaddas. We will learn in the next ayat inshallah. So we understand that when we have to request Allah with our deep heart, with sincerity, so dua is accepted. So like people whose children like they have no children. If they look at the ayat of this ayat and look at the situation what is in this ayat, they have to look this one and then they have to request Allah with their deep heart, with sincerity. Inshallah, Allah will bless the children to them also. So the Holy Quran is actually giving us the full guidance. If we have anything we need, then we can find the solution from the Holy Quran. So this is one for us, that when we have to request Allah with our deep heart, so that request is accepted, because Allah is Sami'ul Alim. So this way, like the Hannah bin Faquz Radiallahu Ta'ala Anha, she requested Allah. So this way, even the Imran, you can see he had no children, but wife, she was old one, but at the time when she was old, so she has seen only the bird who was giving food to the baby bird, and she requested just to see that one, and with the deep heart and with sincerity, Allah accepted her request, and she became pregnant, and she has had a baby. Then it was Maryam alayhi salam. So this way, if a person who can look at the situation of this one, then request Allah with deep heart, then inshallah request will be accepted. So we will learn about the Maryam alayhi salam, about her delivery and about what happened after this in the next ayat, inshallah.